Okay, anyway, my name is Jose Gonzalez, and just I'm fired up to be here with you guys today. I've been into this great opportunity or this great company 18 months already so far. And for me, this is a blessing. This is a dream come true. Like I was talking to Joyce, thanks to this great opportunity, I have the chance to, to quit my job 10 months after I started into this company. And today I'm living my dream. I've been more than 8 months already so far, depending 100% on trust investing, and it's changing my life, my family life, and everybody, all my siblings. Give me 1 second to put my phone in mute. Okay, and I'm so fired up because of this opportunity. It's changing the life of many people all over the world. Why? I'm so fired up about this company because right here, people, they don't need a huge amount of money to start a business. People, they can start just with $15. Could you imagine start a business just with $15? That's so amazing. That's why I'm so excited, because I see many people that even they don't have the money, but they just had that desire to start a great opportunity. And today, those people that they start with 15, they are earning like about 3,000 monthly, 10,000, 20,000, all depend on wherever the need of the people that they have. So that's why it's so amazing. And also, I'm so excited to share with you guys an opportunity that is not only changing my life. My wife, she have her own account. My mother, my brother, my kuya, my sisters, friends. So everybody in my family, they are having a very good earning so far into this company. And that's why I'm so excited, because for me, it's a huge blessing. So anyway, I'm going to share with all of you guys what Trust Investing did with me. I started this company the only money that came out from my pocket was $1,100. And every single month, I had a blessing to withdraw over 10,000 to have my lifestyle, to pay my house, my cars, and everything, and have a very nice lifestyle, traveling wherever I want, eating wherever I want. So it's so amazing. And it's so easy to do it. The good thing that I love over here is like you don't need to sell anything to no one. You don't need to bring people if you don't want, and you can make very good money. The other thing, we don't have to pay a monthly fee. We don't have to pay like a membership, anything like that. So that's why trust investing is so amazing. And many people, they are having their dream come true. So anyway, I'm going to start sharing the screen over here. Could you guys see it? See
Yeah.
my screen? Okay. I want to give a very warm welcome to each one of you about this great opportunity. The name of this company is Trust Investing. So what Trust Investing is all about? Trust Investing is a management company that we work exactly with crypto asset. So it's so amazing, so easy. That's why I love Trust Investing, because it's a great opportunity. We can operate in every part of the world. So what Trust Investing they did? Trust Investing, they went before they start, they went and find the most amazing people all over the world that they do trading, the best of the best. They put together those teams. And that's why when you guys want to put your capital to work over here, you buy a service, and let's say like you start with $1,000. The Trust Investing, they take those $1,000 and they're going to put into a hand of the expert when they're going to manage your capital, doing trading, doing forex, doing arbitrary, in every single daily market all over the world. So said that, I wanna say to you guys, the mission of Trust Investing is so amazing, because it's just to help as many people all over the world. They're all over the world right now. There is a lot of people that they are affected with with a pandemic and all of that. So, you know, those people, they are having a lot of very tough life. But over here in Trust Investing, we have an opportunity to rescue many of those people. I was sharing with Joy before mostly of you guys came about my last trip that I was doing in Panama. I just came back last Friday here in Canada. I was in Panama. I went supposed for only 2 weeks, but could you imagine over there? The team is so amazing. It's growing so fast that I decided to stay for 2 months. And Trust Investing is so amazing because it's no problem wherever I am. I'm making money. And that's the thing that I really love about this company. And then I want to introduce to you guys the vision. The vision of the company is not only help people, if not changing their financial situation, their financial reality. Many people all today, they are having a lot of struggle. We can see many people, they don't have a job. Many people, they're saving, they are drained. But over here to Trust Investing and or business concept or business model, everybody going to have a huge blessing and a huge opportunity. So, and the values of the company is act with transparency. And that's one of the things that I love about this company. Why? Because out there is a lot of company. Probably they're going to promote that they are doing better than us, and probably that they are paying better than us. But over here is the problem. The transparency and the trust is not right there, because mostly of the other company, they wanna just take as much money as they can and get rich. But guess what? They barely share with people. And then we can see like every single day, we see like a lot of scandal about company that they are shutting down and stealing money of everybody. Well, over here in Trust Investing, we don't have to be worried about that. Why? Because I told you, Trust Investing, they found many companies that they manage or capital. Exactly, they have 7 different companies all over the world that they manage or capital. And guess what? Those people that, or those companies that they manage or company, they manage the money of the international bank, rich people, millionaire people. And that's why when Trust Investing, they put their money into their hands, they have an insurance where they guarantee or capital. And that's why I feel safe over here in the company. And I feel it's no problem wherever is happening all over the world. I don't have to be worried about that, because even, let's say, you know, like we work on trading and all of that. Many average people, they make money, but at the same time, they can lose money also. But over here, we don't have to be worried. Why? Because those expert people, they manage our capital the best way. They have a lot of years of experience. The least amount of experience that those companies have is about 15 years experience. Could you imagine? That give us the safe, the comfort. And also, let's say like today, all those 7 different companies, they have a loss in the company. The company, they have an insurance with us where they pay us at least 0.1% interest. In other words, as a members of Trust Investing, we never going to feel like the loss, because we always going to be earning from Monday to Friday. And that's why I feel so excited about this company. And I wanna say thank you to those 2 gentlemen that you're going to see over here. Our CEO, Mr. Diego Chavez, he's a humble guy. That guy is so amazing. He got a huge heart that he, in his own word, he said, I am happy for the opportunity to build a business that is changing many people's life. We have a very qualified team to keep our project strong and transparent. So could you imagine? He feels so excited for what they built already. And same thing with us as a affiliate. Every time that I have the opportunity to talk with Diego Chavez, I give my huge thanks for everything that they did, because he not only changed my personal life, you know, the life of all my family, my mom, my sister, my wife, my kids. It's so amazing to see my kids only 22 years old. Could you imagine, 22 years old? He got more than 50,000 capital over here. Every single month, just in interest, he's having like about $5,000 in interest. So that's so amazing. Same thing with my mother, having a retirement all for below $200 US dollar every single month there in Panama. And today over here in Trust Investing, she's earning like about 6,000 every single month. That's so amazing. My mother, she felt like she's the richest person there in Panama. It's so amazing to see her smile, her laughing for what Trust Investing is doing for her. And that's why we feel so grateful to Mr. Diego Chavez for this great opportunity. Same thing, right beside, you're going to see Mr. Fabiano Lima. This guy is so amazing. He's doing a great job. Not only doing trading over here in Trust Investing with crypto, if no, we have many different products. Could you imagine we have our own wine? The most fine wine in Europe is produced to Trust Investing. So that's so amazing. It's one of our products. Many people, they say, oh, but you probably are like a prime pyramid because you guys don't have like an official product. Well, we have our own diamond mines also, and emerald, where they are extracting all of those ones, and also for people that they want to invest on those markets. So it's so amazing. And also we are in right now, we are like in the travel industry. Also, we are very soon, we're going to have the 17th of this month, we're going to have electricity through solar panel. Could you imagine? That project is so huge. And also there is many other projects amazing that they are working, where us as a member, we are getting so blessed and so rich, and that's so amazing. So that's why I'm so excited to introduce to you guys about those great opportunities. But anyway, we are working with crypto asset. And what is crypto asset? Crypto asset is so amazing, and we can see that they are changing this world. Before, we can see like many people, they only knew the fiat money that we have, like or regular currency in each country. But right now with crypto, we are changing the life, and that's why we are working right now with the Bitcoin. And it's so interesting to see how stronger the Bitcoin is becoming every single day. And also we can see like the US dollar that many us are using right now is depreciating every single day their value. Very soon we're going to get into the original value of the US dollar that are going to cost anything. I guess a roll of toilet paper, I guess, going to be a little bit more expensive than the regular currency. So one of the things that I love about crypto is like it's protected through a secure system called blockchain. This blockchain, they make sure like every transaction that we do and we perform is making like on a transparency way, faster, and also very cheap for us. And that's why I'm so excited, because if I need to transfer money from here to Philippines, in seconds, the people, they're going to have the capital into their account. And it's so amazing. And it's no problem like how much I have to transfer to them. And that's why I'm so fired up to know about the crypto. And look how easy it is to become part of Trust Investing. People, they can start just with 15 USDT. Now, many of us probably are asking, what is USDT? Well, USDT is the same value in US currency. That way we can have a control, and we know exactly how much we have over here in crypto. So what trust investing they promise to us. Let's say like you are coming and you wanna join our business. The least that trust investing going to promise to you that they're going to do for you is that they're going to double your capital. In other words, you start with 15 USDT, the company, they promise to you that they're going to double, they're going to give you 30 bucks. So it's so amazing, so easy to do it. That's why I'm so excited, because over here, everybody earn. Nobody can set over here in trust investing, oh, trust investing don't pay and whatever. And you see some video on some people talking about that. That's a big lie. They don't know what they are talking about, because trust investing, they pay to everybody the same interest every single month. And one of the other things that I want to recognize about trust investing is like, could you imagine people, they can start just with 15 USDT. If you, for example, Joy and myself, we being part of another business together, and over there, every single month, we had to pay $100 US dollar just to give maintenance to the page, also to keep our membership and stuff like that. But right here, we don't need to pay anything. Could you imagine 15 USDT neither is enough to have all the safety and protection to your platform when you guys join this business. But trust investing, they do the same, because they want to really help people, really want to change the lifestyle of people. But anyway, you can see over here the different plans of investment that we have available. People, they can start with 15, 30, 60, 100. So could you imagine, for every kind of budget, we got over here an opportunity. And then we have plan of 200, 500, 1,000. This is for people that really see very serious themselves and really want to change their lifestyle. They can jump to any one of those packets: 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20, 50, 100. So for whatever kind of budget you have an opportunity. So let's take this number over here, 1,000. Why I want to choose 1,000? Because this number over here is magic over here in trust investing. And I really encourage you, if you really see the vision over here, this opportunity, do whatever. No matter if you got right now only 50 to start this business opportunity. But I want to let you know, like, trying to have a vision that you very soon going to become over here, going to have 1,000 working for yourself. Why this is so important? Because 48 hours after you guys invest or buy your plan or your package, could you imagine this money is put on the hand of the expert, and they're going to put to work for you, and right away you're going to start seeing the interest. Right here in the company, based in the history that we have for more than 2.5 years, is like we are making an average between 15% interest to 24% interest every single month. That's so amazing. And that's why I'm so fired up about this, because everybody make money over here in trust investing. So I'm going to explain you something. We can do two options for yourself. You can do like from 1,000, let's say I'm going to take 20%. Let's say like we earned about 20% my first month. So if you put 1,000, your first month, you're going to get paid how much? 20% of 1,000? $200. Could you imagine $200 on a month just in interest that you're going to be receiving? That's so amazing. So the company, every 30 days, they're going to give you the option to do two things. If you want to withdraw those interests or those earnings that you are receiving, you can do it. But I don't advise you to do that. Why? Because I'm going to be focused over here to teach you how those $1,000 they're going to support yourself, your family for the rest of your life. And that's what I'm going to be focused over here in this opportunity. That way you can do the same thing like I did, that in 10 months, I had the opportunity to quit my job and have a very nice lifestyle. Why? Because what I did is something that we call compound interest or multi-purchases. How this program works? Okay, again, the 20% that I receive earning from this capital is 200. I don't going to withdraw those one. I'm going to take those interest and I'm going to reinvest my second month. And then the second month, I don't going to have only like you see over here on the screen. You don't going to have only 200. If not, you're going to have on the second month 1,200 working for yourself. And look how much interest you are receiving now. You are receiving over 240 your second month. Could you imagine how faster is increasing your capital? Again, you take those one and reinvest again your third month, and look what happened, how much interest you are receiving. So right, that you're going to be doing every single month until you achieve your financial freedom. For example, in myself, in the previous job that I was performing, I was a truck driver. And as a truck driver, I have a very good salary. I was earning between $120,000 to $140,000 every single month, year, sorry. So I knew if I wanna support my lifestyle, I have to jump into 32 months. Why? Because in 32 months, I'm going to be receiving over 100,000 capital, and I'm going to be receiving over $20,000 in interest every single month. And I need this one to support my family. So that was my goal when I started in trust investing. I was thinking I'm going to be working for 32 months until I achieve this. But guess what? I did in 10 months. How many of you guys want to learn how I fastered this one? Instead of 32 months, I put it in only 10 months. Myself. Just I want to share with you guys that because this is so amazing, and that's why I'm so fired up about trust investing. You guys can see, I don't know which one is your financial goal. Probably with Joy, I know because I talk a lot with Joy, and I know that Joy, she needs at least 10,000 to have a very nice lifestyle. What Joy, she needs is to go into 32 months, but guess what? Joy going to get this one very fast, probably in 10 months or a year. I don't know how long going to take it to her, but she can do it. And the most amazing thing of this is like right here, you don't need to invite no one. Like many people out there, probably they're going to say, watch out with that thing. That's a pyramid scheme or whatever. You don't listen to those people. Those people, they don't have a clue what they said. The first question that you have to ask to those people that they are saying to you, watch out, is like, you really are investing in cryptocurrency? And if they said no, just tell them, okay, please don't advise me to do something that you never are doing. Because if you really want to know, you have to ask to the expert. And thanks to this opportunity, I want to share to you how much I made last month. I make over 62,000. I share with Joy, and never before I could make that amount of money in just 1 month. And could you imagine? I have to work for more than 6 months to have those kind of earning. And on top of that, probably I have to work a little bit more, because over here in Canada, we make a lot of money, but the government, the same thing they do. They take a lot of taxes from our earning. So probably I have to work probably about 8 months to have those kind of earning over here in Canada. And thanks to trust investing, I had the blessing to receive those kind of earning. So anyway, over here in the graphic, you can choose whatever is your goal. I don't know. Let's say your goal is only to have $5,000 a month to support, because I know many of you guys are from Philippines, and the lifestyle in Philippines is quite cheap in compared with Canada. So anyway, you can go to 27 months. In 27 months, you're going to have a capital already of 50,000 and you're going to be receiving over $10,000 every single month. Could you imagine what I advise people to do over here is when you get into your financial goal, just take half. Use the 50-50 rule. You're going to withdraw 5,000 and you're going to leave the rest to reinvest every month. Why? Because that way your capital is increasing every single month and same thing you're earning. Always use the rule 50-50 and you're going to have money for the rest of your life. And even if something happened to you guys, this business you can inherit to your siblings, to your loved one, and that's so amazing. So anyway, this is the first way to earn money over here. And like I said, you don't need to invite not one, you don't need to pay a membership, you don't need to pay a monthly fee, anything like that. The only thing that came out from your pocket was your first $1,000. But could you imagine how much those $1,000 they can produce to you? That's so amazing. And I'm so excited to be part of Trust Investing because it's really changing life. Many people, they don't want to do anything else. They are only focused to do compound interest every single month. And they are having a very nice lifestyle. I know many people that they already quit their job and the only thing they are doing is this. And that's so amazing. But anyway, I'm going to show you other ways how you can make money over here in Trust Investing. We call this program direct selling. Many of you probably going to say, Jose, but you said that we don't have to sell anything. And that's correct. You don't need to sell anything to no one. But let's say over here, let's go back. Let's say like you put 5,000, like I have over here on the room, somebody that she is a visionary. Mary Grace, she started with this. And could you imagine, she already, I don't know, based on my calculation, she's around 50,000 making already so far over here as a capital in Trust Investing. And could you imagine, she's making around 10,000 just in interest every single month. So that's so amazing, ladies and gentlemen. And that's why I'm so excited to share about this opportunity, because this is the only first way to earn money. But Trust Investing, they put together a compensation plan that I fall in love. The only thing that you have to do is share whatever you are receiving over here in Trust Investing, sharing your testimony, your experience, and many people, they want to become part of this. Many people out there, they are looking for us like to show proof of what we are doing. And that's what Trust Investing is so expert, because over here, everybody make money. Everybody that join Trust Investing, they are making money, and they have already their testimony of many thousand, even million of people. We are an average about 2 million people over here right now, part of Trust Investing, and everybody that is part of Trust Investing, they are making money. So anyway, when you share this opportunity or your testimony of what you are receiving, people, they want to join. And let's say like you share with your neighbor, oh neighbor, you know what? I'm living on my earning every single month. Your neighbor probably, he have to wake up every single day, 4 o'clock in the morning to go to work. And probably his salary is not enough to support their family. But when you share something like that, probably going to happen the same thing that happened to me. When my ex-sponsor, he put a post in the Facebook, and I'm very curious. And when he put that post into Facebook, right away, I contact him in the private. I went to Messenger and typed to him, Mr. Mercha, because I knew him. What are you doing? Why you quit your job in 3 months? That's so amazing. You had to teach me what you did. So anyway, he said, okay, I'm in a company named Trust Investing. I only invest $100 over here in the company. right now I quit my job and I'm living on trust investing. And I was so fired up. Why? Because the pandemic at that time was starting and I was very hurt in the other company that I was part of. All the team that I have, they quit already so far. So after having a very good earning in the company, everything became like a non. Everybody quit on me. And so I was very hungry of an opportunity, a real opportunity. But when I saw my friend, I asked him. And right away, when he teach me, he sent me like a few videos. I want to be honest with you guys. I never saw those videos. I only saw those videos, but those videos don't make sense for me at all. That for me wasn't interesting. The only thing that makes sense for me was to contact my friend and ask him. And I did. And I asked him, Mircea, are you really serious that this business work? I want you to be very honest with me. And he said, yeah. In 3 months, I quit my job and I'm having a nice lifestyle. And I said, okay, with how much do you start? He said to me, 100. I said, okay, I want to start also with 100. And anyway, because I start with 100, the company pay him a 10% for the 100 that I start. And then few weeks after, I saw making money over here in the company, and I was so excited. And guess what? I told him, the 100 are making very good money, but what happened? Can I invest $1,000 more? He said, of course you can. So 3 weeks after, I invest another $1,000, and guess what? He received another 10% earning or commission over here, because that's what the company they does, because they don't pay in advertisement and nothing like that. They have a pool of 10% for every single dollar amount that people they invest over here in the company. Could you imagine for $1,000 receive 100 commission right away from just one person? That's so amazing. And that's why I'm so in love with this company, because even if we start promoting this business, we really can speed up our goal to become financial free. Like I told you, when I start, I saw myself with those 1,100 that I invest over here in the company. I saw myself at least 30 months, in 30 months to become financially free. But thanks to this opportunity, I start having those earnings. And guess what? Because I have my job, I never withdraw anything. I just took my earnings and just reinvesting those ones. And when I start this opportunity, even I didn't have to go out of the house to promote this business. I only was so fired up, so excited the day after, because I was living the dream of my friend. I was feeling like the success that he was having was myself. So anyway, when I went to the kitchen, my father-in-law, he was sitting there on the dining table. He was getting ready to eat breakfast. And he asked me, oh, why you are so happy? And I told him, yeah, because last night I joined a company where they are working with cryptocurrency, and they promised that they're going to pay us about 15 to 24% interest every single month. My father-in-law, he saw like, really? Wow, that's a lot of interest. So with how much you start? I said with 100. He said, okay, I got 100 over here. I want you to put me 100 to work over there. So anyway, I opened an account. Only took me like about 5-10 minutes max to open the account and send the money, that transaction, into my friend Mircea, and he got me the cryptocurrency, and right away I affiliate my father-in-law. But guess what? My wife, she was also there in the kitchen on the night when she saw me kind of watching those videos. She was like, oh man, another business from Jose. She was very negative, very, very negative. And she don't want to be part. I was calling her, mommy, come here. You have to see this. This Mircea, he sent me those videos and he wanted to watch it. It's about a company that he joined and stuff like that. And in 3 months, he's living on trust investing. So anyway, she moved her head and she was over there just for 1 minute and she went get out of the room. So anyway, I thought that she didn't was interested. So anyway, when she saw her dad join the company, and she asked me and said, "And you don't going to open an account for me?" I said, "Of course, I can open an account for you." And I asked, "How much do you want to invest?" She said, 100. Okay, I got my 2 people over here. And because I put my 2 people, even when I didn't knew and I didn't teach them anything, just I have the share with them like my excitement and they join, guess what? The company, they pay me 10% from them. But the company go a little bit further. When you have 2 people, your first 2 people, you're going to open 2 teams, a right team and also a left team. When you complete this one, you qualify for a binary bonus. And I love this one because guess what? Over here, this is like many people I know they're in Philippines and also in Latin America when I'm from, they think like if you are in United States or in Canada, people, they think like you plant a money tree in your backyard and wherever you need to send them money, wherever they are asking you, you only have to go to your backyard, shake a little bit of tree, and all those dollars, they fall down into the ground. That's what many people, they think like over here, we have dollar tree in our backyard. So anyway, for me, this is dollar tree in my backyard because over here, if what I mentioned to you guys make a lot of sense, let me explain you about the binary bonus. This is so amazing. Just last month in binary bonus, I received more than $42,000. Could you imagine $42,000 just in this bonus? Why? Because this bonus, they pay every single day. That's what Trust Investing, they want you. They don't want you only to have a long-term goal, like in about 2 or 3 years until you become you achieve your financial goal. Trust Investing, they want bless your life every single day. And that's why this binary bonus, they pay from Monday to Friday. Over here in Canada, they pay us about 7 p.m. to midnight. They are paying this binary bonus. And how this work? Let's say like when I open this, I qualify for another 10%. So over here, you're going to see this one that said points. You got your right team, let's say like through the whole day, they accomplish 50,000 points, and your left team, your smallest, accomplished 20,000 points. Guess what? Trust Investing, they're going to pay you at 10% of the smallest organization that you have. In other words, over here in just one day, you are receiving $2,000. Could you imagine 2,000 USDT in just one day? Ladies and gentlemen, I know many people that they have to work the whole month to have those kind of salary, but right here, you're going to have it in just one day. Could you imagine when I started this opportunity 18 months ago, was only my father-in-law, he was my first business partner, and then my wife. My wife, because she took a little bit, my father-in-law, he became into my faster organization that is interconnect with my leaders, my upline, and everything like that. So every time that my leaders, they put people over here in that organization, guess what? Those points mean every single dollar amount that those people they are placing, and they are counting over here. But over here, my wife, she's in the smallest organization. So every single day I have to build this business. This is all my attention, what I had to do. So guess what? When I receive a commission over here, my wife, she's also receiving. There is some time that I receive about $7,000 in bonus over here, in binary bonus in just one day. And my wife, because she's over here, she's the team leader, guess what? She's receiving another $5,000. My mother, because she's here, also below my wife, she's receiving another $3,000 in bonus. My sister, my ate, because she's down here, she's receiving another $2,000. My kuya, my brother, because he's down here, he's receiving another 1,000. My children and everybody into this system, they are getting paid. That's so amazing, and that's why I'm so fired up about this great opportunity, because everybody's making a lot of money over here. Like I said, $42,000. Could you imagine last month? That's a lot of money. And every single day we are receiving. Every single day I'm receiving over here between 1,000 to 7,000 every single day. Could you imagine? That's so amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Never before I saw a compensation plan so dearly and so powerful like Trust Investing data. And after they pay you these points, this one becomes 0. And also they deduct from here those 20,000, and you're going to have 30,000 more points for the day after. You're never going to lose those points until you get paid. So that's why I'm so in love with Trust Investing and the way that they build this business concept over here in Trust Investing. That's why I'm so fired up about this opportunity. But guess what? There is more. I already shared to you guys 3 different ways how we can get paid over here. And that's why you see like I speed up all those earnings that I receive over here in binary bonus and direct bonus. I start reinvesting those ones, put it into the system. And that's why in 10 months, I had the blessing to quit my job and depend on Trust Investing. My last day of working was January 30 of this year. So I got more than 8 months already so far living on Trust Investing. So every single month I withdraw how much? $10,000 to support my lifestyle. And it's so easy to cash up or earning over here in the company. And that's why I'm so fired up about this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Last month, I went to Panama. 2 months ago, I went to Panama just for a 2 weeks trip. But guess what? When I got there, I start meeting with all my team there in Panama, and people, they were so fired up and was so much to do that I decided to extend my stay over there in Panama for 2 months. And guess what? I need a vehicle very, very bad. And I went to rent one, but was so expensive to rent a car. And I was thinking, you know what? I'm going to buy a car over here in Panama. Could you imagine pay a $20,000 vehicle over there in Panama and pay in cash? Never before I had the blessing to buy a car wherever I am. And could you imagine I pay cash that vehicle? That's so amazing. And those ones are the blessing that this business is putting into our hands. So I know many of you guys going to tell you, oh, watch out, that thing really don't work. But guess what? We are an average about 2 million affiliate over here in Trust Investing that we are living on Trust Investing. Trust Investing is giving us a huge lifestyle. I got people into my team that they are quitting their job in 2 months to be part of Trust Investing. I got people like over here in Trust Investing, their first day, they get paid $1,500. Could you imagine? It's for everybody. If you really want to make money and change your lifestyle, Trust Investing is here for you. And the only thing that I advise you to do is help the people that come into your business. Why? Because the company also have a career plan that are going to compensate very well. The first achievement that you're going to have over here in the company, we call team leader. As a team leader, that's why I was showing you a $1,000 plan Why? Because this is key. This is one of the requirement for you to qualify for team leader. And after that, you have to find 2 people also that they buy a $1,000 plan. After that, they have to develop into their organization 8,000 points in each one of those organizations. After I fulfill that, I become a team leader, and the company every single month, they're going to give me a bonus. And this is a part, this is separate from everything else that I explained you of 100 USDT. Could you imagine? This is separate. Could you imagine with 100 USDT in about 40 months, you will be receiving over 6,000 a month. You're going to have a capital over 30,000, and you're going to be receiving every single month over 6,000. That's so amazing. And you can receive this one every single month and then become manager. This is the rank that I am over here right now. Every single month, the company, they pay me an extra bonus of 400. The only way for me to lose this bonus is when I accomplish to my next rank. And over here, the other thing that I love for Trust Investing is totally different, like all the other company that you probably are become part. Like every single month, you have to qualify for those bonus. Oh, guess what? Over here in Trust Investing, you don't have to do that. When you achieve one of those goals, the only way that you're going to lose those rank is when you get into your next level. That's so amazing of this company, of this program. And then it's coming regional director, when you're going to be receiving 1,000 per month, and then national director 3,000, and then international director 8,000 per month. And also the company, they're going to give you this beautiful ring with 1 diamond on it. And there is a lot of people already that they are wearing this ring. And then it's coming continental director, where you're going to be receiving 30,000 per month. And guess what? Again, the company going to give you this ring with 2 diamonds. And there is a lot of people that already they are wearing this ring because they accomplished this level. And then the last one is global director, where you're going to be receiving over 150,000 per month, ladies and gentlemen, and also this beautiful ring with 3 diamond stones on it. So that's so amazing, and that's why I'm so fired up about this program, about Trust Investing, because it's really, their mission is change the life of many, and that's why I'm so proud to be part of Trust Investing. It changed my life, changed the life of my wife, my kids, my siblings, my mom, my friends. It's so amazing what Trust Investing is doing for us. And that's why I'm so fired up to share with all you guys about this great opportunity. So anyway, this is what I got for you guys. And I don't know if you guys are like me. When you guys see an opportunity, you just join. Like myself, like I said, I never watched those videos that my friend he sent me. The only thing that I was interested in is if this business really worked for him. I really knew that going to be working for me. And today, my mentor or my leader, he is over there, over the $1 million. And I know that he's receiving every single month about 200,000 in just in interest. And that's apart with all the other commission and all the other bonus. But guess what? I'm in my own pace and I'm making a lot of money. I feel like I'm living my dreams right now, and that's so amazing. And that's why I'm sharing with you guys this great opportunity. So see, if this makes sense, please go first to the person that invited you and say, thank you very much. Thank you for sharing a great opportunity into my life. And then the second thing that you have to do is go and ask them, how can I start into this opportunity? And they're going to share with you a link where you're going to open your Trust Investing account, and you're going to have the opportunity to change your life, your financial situation. This is so amazing, ladies and gentlemen. And also, I want to say thank you to Mary Grace. And she is one of the team leader over here into the organization. Same thing with Joy, and I'm so proud of those two ladies because they are doing so amazing work over there in Red Deer, and I'm so excited to have them here into the team.